Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to all our agents, our brokers, our intermediaries, and our employees. And welcome to East West Healthcare 2023 Sales Kickoff. My name is Shane Malyari, and thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for being a part of East West Healthcare 2023 Sales Kickoff with the theme Ready, Aim, High. Can you repeat that?
Ready, aim, high. Friends, it gives me immense pleasure to inform you that today we were going to introduce the new and exciting promo. While this makes you extremely happy and excited,
Shirley, please describe yourself.
Courageous. I'm smart.
Ami Smart. Ready, aim, high.
All of us here are ready to face new challenges and opportunities. Tama po ba? Yes, tama. Challenges and opportunities of meeting new people as we introduce our company to them and compete with other players. Challenges and opportunities in attaining our sales target and go beyond what is expected from us. We believe our theme for this year sets our mind to be ready, to aim, and to dream high.
Again, we hope na mas marami pong mag-qualify sa ating bagong incentive promo for this year. We would like to thank you on behalf of East West. Hopefully po, maging fruitful pa po yung ating business relationship for this year.